What's up, guys? Just head to the mall to check out the brand new Soldier 12s that just came out a week ago or so, a while ago. Sorry I was late on them, but I decided to check them out anyway. LeBron James, Soldier 12. Huge fan of the Soldier line ever since the Soldier 10s. Pretty fly sneaker if you ask me. Love the Velcro. Not the greatest utility-wise, in my opinion, as a basketball shoe, but I think the shoe is pretty fly. Here it is. Lots of Velcro going on. I'm going to throw them on real quick. I found that the shoe is pretty fly. It's relatively comfortable. It's got good lockdown. It's got a lot of toe support. I felt a lot of cushioning on top of my toes with that new cushioning at the top of the sneaker. I didn't like the middle section of the grip. It made the shoe feel very imbalanced or not balanced. I felt like I was falling over because the middle section of the bottom was too narrow. Other than that, I think the shoe's pretty fly. I don't think I'll play ball in them, but that's just me. I think they look sick. They might be good for ball for some people. Not for me though. The grip was okay, as I noticed in the store. Obviously I didn't try them for very long. That's the sneaker. I think it looks great. It's the Soldier 12. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.